Hey everybody, this is our video on how to make instruments. Step 1, guitar. Gather your materials. Step 2, remove plastic wrapping from tissue box. Step 3, fit rubber bands on the top of the tissue box. Step 4, maraca, gather your materials. Step 5, cut a section of construction paper. Step 6, cut out a small circle that is slightly bigger than the toilet paper roll. Step 7, glue the ends of the toilet paper roll. Step 8, fit the cutout around the end of the toilet paper. To keep secure and to dry easier, we recommend holding with a rubber band. Step 9, fill the roll with your choice of filling. Popcorn, kernels, plastic beads, rocks, pebbles. The possibilities are endless. Step 10, glue the other end and wrap with the paper cutout. Step 11, leave your maraca to dry. After it dries, carefully remove the rubber bands. Step 12, have fun!
You like it?
Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.